So right now we've got a new league team of the season, of course, which is League and team of the season. A lot of people have been asking a question about how we can get those rewards. Right now I haven't even claimed any of these rewards, as you can see, but I'm going to tell you how you can claim all the rewards very easily. There is something that you need to avoid to go ahead and spend as least points as possible to go ahead and get all the rewards. So this is what I'm going to talk about in this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you're excited for it. So basically, first of all, as you can see right there, it says that we need to find the ball to earn rewards, right? We need to go ahead and find the reward, and I'm pretty sure it should be different for everybody, right? It should be different for everyone about where the ball is and all those sort of stuff. So you can't actually find it with me showing you where the actual ball is, but there is something that you need to take into account. Basically, when you go ahead and click on claiming one of these, it takes 10 points obviously, but you should not just randomly pick any of these squares. First of all, you need to go on and randomly pick a square. For example, I'm going to go ahead and pick this one, and you get 1,000 coins. And as you can see right there, we haven't even hit that ball, which means we're not going to be able to find the ball in this one, but you need to go ahead and hit it randomly. It's not going to be in here, for example, because we need 2 squares to go ahead and find the ball. So there is definitely nothing on the left of the one that I just unlocked. When you go ahead and find one part of the ball, you're going to be able to find all 4 parts of the ball. So it's not that one, definitely. It can be the other one, the one like below that one, but I'm gonna try one on here. Okay, I'm gonna try one on that right hand side. But when you go ahead and find just one part of the ball, you're gonna be able to you're gonna be able to claim the rewards. Here we go. I found the reward right now. I found the ball, sorry, one part of the ball, and when I went ahead and found that the right top corner, right? I found that right top corner. What I need to do now is I need to go ahead and fill it up with other corners as well. So for example, that left hand side, you can see I found the second part, and now below it. So if you go ahead and find one part of the ball, you should not try to find it in anywhere else. I found it. Here we go. We're gonna go ahead and claim that ball now. It is that easy, right? It is that easy. A lot of people have been asking that question about how we can go and find it. You should not just randomly try to find that ball. It is how I just told you right there. I've randomly guessed it. I haven't found any part of the ball there, and then when I randomly guessed again on that right hand side, I found one part of the ball, and then you can find all 4 parts of the ball after that one. So I'm gonna go ahead and claim the last part now, 1,000 coins again. But now I'm gonna be able to go ahead and unlock that reward. Did you understand? Let me know down in the comment section if you understood or not. If you go in and find one part of the ball, you should not just randomly shoot for anything else, because it is the ball only covers 4 different scores, right? The ball only covers 4 different scores, so you should be able to find that ball very easily when you get one part of it, one out of 4, okay, a quarter of it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and claim the reward. I'm gonna claim, is it gems? Yep, 500 gems for the first reward, and for the second one, for level 2, it's pretty much the same thing. You need to go ahead and do pretty much the same thing. You can go ahead and find different scores. I'm gonna go ahead and start with that one again, where I started the last time. Did I find any part of the ball? No, I didn't. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to find it on that side right now. Let me go ahead and see if I found it this time. If I haven't, again, I'm gonna try to find it in different one. So now for the second try, I haven't found it in that second try either. So I'm gonna try this again, and yeah, you might get lucky for the first one. Oh, it's almost at the exact place. It's almost at the exact place. So I'm gonna be able to go ahead and find that ball once again right there. When you find one of the corners, it's very easy for you to find all 4 corners. So I'm gonna be able to claim Lacazette now. I need 5 more points, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be able to. Oh, I'm not gonna be able to get it right now. Okay, I'm not gonna be able to claim that Lacazette card right now, but you get it, right? When you go out and find one quarter of it, you're gonna be able to find pretty much every single other ones as well. Also, what I want to talk about is I want to talk about like Premier League points and Bundesliga points, as well as Ligue 1 points. Ligue 1 points, yeah, we do have Ligue 1 points as well. what I would suggest you to do right now is, if you went ahead and claimed one of the rewards that you wanted, for example, I went ahead and claimed that Mascherano, I would suggest you not to spend any of your Premier League points as well as any of your Bundesliga points when you went ahead and claimed everything you wanted, as I said. For example, if you went ahead and claimed one of those rewards, if you claimed that Mascherano card, I would suggest you not to spend any more of your Bundesliga or Premier League points, because we might need those points for Ultimate Team of the Season. Ultimate Team of the Season is gonna be coming out very soon. It says it's gonna be revealed in about 5 days. I think we're gonna need some quests, and we need to do some quests and stuff like that to go out and get those Ultimate Team of the Season points. Then try to get some Ultimate Team of the Season players, rewards, whatever, right? But I'm not gonna spend any more of my Premier League points on, for example, getting these rewards or any of the gems. 60 gems is not a lot, but I'm not gonna spend any of them to get even Bowen or to get Mino or anything like that. I'm just gonna save those Premier League points, as well as when I claim that Mascherano, I think I'm gonna claim that Mascherano, and then I'm gonna save all of the other points. I might not even claim Mascherano, you know. I might go ahead and leave it, and I might not even claim Mascherano. I might just go ahead and save all of my points for Bundesliga, for Ligue 1, and for the rest of the leagues as well. Just because if we don't need them, we can go ahead and claim all the rewards that we want for Bundesliga, Premier League chapter, and all that. But if we need them for Ultimate Team of the Season, I'm gonna have them ready. We might also be able to exchange some Bundesliga points and Premier League points into Ultimate Team of the Season points. You never know, right? You never know. It might happen, it might not happen. If it happens, it's a plus for me and for you if you go on and do that as well. But if it doesn't happen, you can still claim those rewards later on. So it's gonna be very easy for you to go ahead and do that one as well. In Team of the Season Arena, I sometimes forget to claim this energy. Most of the times I don't really play it. I totally forget to go ahead and play it. But I'm gonna go ahead and try to play it a lot more, obviously. And also Team of the Season exchanges. I mean, I have done those exchanges today, that 94 to 99 overall one. I don't really have too many of that 90 to 93 overall cards to go and do that exchange. But I'm gonna do it in this video. I'm gonna do it just for you. So let me go ahead and... Oh, I've got 93s. I thought I had some 91s and 92s. I'm not gonna do it then. I'm sorry, but I'm not gonna do that exchange because I don't really want to waste most of my players. I can go ahead and claim all the rewards in the in Star Pass though. So let's see what we're gonna get in the Star Pass rewards. I mean, Star Pass is not really great right now, right? Like, we're not really getting any great rewards from Star Passes. We got 89 overall Mario Götze, which is, let's be honest, not good at all. Not good at all. For free-to-play players, we're not really getting too many great rewards. UCL finals have happened as well. UCL final event, has happened. And I'm pretty sure we're gonna be getting like free final points or something like that. We might get some new UCL final event as well. Not event, but chapter, new chapter, something like that. I think it has been leaked already. Not really sure what it is. I haven't really looked into it, but I think we're gonna get something new in that one. And obviously in Heroes Update as well. If you don't know, we can go ahead and get that 96 overall Wesley Schneider for free. Haven't really done too much here. I can shoot it actually. I've got enough points to shoot it for once, and I got 6. We need 250 points, right? Yep, we need 250 points to go ahead and get one of these rewards, either Schneider or Mascherano. Let me know down in the comment section if you're gonna be claiming Schneider or Mascherano. Probably I'm gonna claim Schneider just because he's a 96 overall, but if you claim Mascherano, that kind of makes sense as well.